Hi there. So today we're working with logical operators. Now remember, here are the logical operators that we're going to be using. We got the AND logical operator, and use two AND symbols for this. You've got the OR operator, which is just these two straight lines. It's shift backslash. You got the greater than symbol, less than symbol. If you're going to do a comparison using equals, it's got to be equals equals. Then you've got the not operator, which is the exclamation mark. Now, you're going to be working on a demo in class today, and I'm providing the code for you. This code is not complete, so you've got to finish the rest of the code yourself. But let's look at this code. Let's look at what's going on. First thing we're doing is we're importing the JOptionPane class, so that means this is going to use dialog boxes. Next we've got our public class header right here, crow2 underscore 03 underscore can you graduate demo. And then we have our main method. So in here I've declared a few variables. The first variable is int school year. Next is int service hours, the next is int remaining, and then the next is str input. So this program is going to ask a user, what year of high school they're in, and it's going to ask them how many service learning hours they have, and then it's going to tell them if they, how many hours they need in order to graduate, or if they need, more hours to stay on track. So the first thing that this program is asking the user, it's going to say, what year are you? Enter 1 for freshman, 2 for sophomore, 3 for junior, and 4 for senior. And we're going to take that information that they give us and we're going to put it into an integer variable called int school year. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to ask them how many service learning hours do they have. And we're going to put that information into int service hours. We're then going to use a decision structure. We're going to use this if statement, and we're going to determine if the user can graduate or if they're on track to graduate. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to say, okay, if their int school year, if their school year is 4, so if they're a senior and their service hours are greater than 40, then we want to tell them the following. We want to say, congrats, you have enough service learning hours to graduate. Else if, let's say their school year is 4, so if they're a senior and their service learning hours are less than 40, then we want to take however many service hours they do have, and we want to say 40 minus that number of service hours, because if you're a senior you have to have 40 hours of service learning to graduate, and we're going to put whatever that result of that equation is into int remaining, and we're going to tell the user you only have let's say they typed in 36 hours you have, and then we say int remaining hours left to do if you want to graduate. So this is how you would set up things for seniors, because they're year 4, and you along with your partner, or if you're doing this at home, you've got to do the rest for juniors, for sophomores, and for freshmen. Now keep in mind that juniors only have to have 30 hours of service learning. If they have 30 hours of service learning, they're on track to graduate. Sophomores have to have 20, and freshmen have to have 10. So if we were to run this program when it was finished, it would look something like this. What year are you? So if I type, let's say 2, and I click OK because I'm a sophomore, and how many service learning hours do you have? Let's say I only have 15. If I click OK, it says you only have 15 hours. You have 5 left to do if you want to be on track to graduate. Okay, let's do it again. Let's say this time I'm a freshman. If I type 1, if I click OK, and how many service learning hours do you have? Let's say I type 30. It should say you have 30 hours. You are on track to graduate. So these are the results of your program that your program should give you if you programmed it correctly. So good luck with this program, and we'll catch you later.